Yung pinakaunang gabi talaga namin ni Tami. Alam nyo ba, dito kami natutulog dyan. Takot na takot ako. Kasi yung light nag-flicker ba? Parang may something talaga dito sa bahay. So,
Good morning, Philippines!
good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is Saturday. And I'm feeling worse. Because my nose is really clogged up. And yeah, so I'm gonna do cleaning up laundry, cleaning up the downstairs. I will clean upstairs later or tomorrow, but for now I'm gonna wash our bed sheets and then downstairs cleaning.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I won't admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See you, for a moment even hope that I can feel you. Voices getting nearer, heart is pumping, thoughts are running wild. We got a good thing going, while we got our feelings amplified. Staying till the morning, countless hours spending by your side. You look at me, I'm soaring, seeing all the truth behind your eyes. See you, for a moment even hope that I can feel you. Wants to tell you that I need you. See you, for a moment even hope that I can feel you. See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Thoughts are running wild. We got a good thing going, while we got our feelings amplified. Staying till the morning, countless hours spending by your side. You look at me, I'm soaring.
ngayon, hindi ko na kayo dalhin. Linisin ko lang yung shower kasi, yeah, I need to clean the shower here. Shower and the tub. Yun lang. Yeah, yun lang yung gagawin ko.
Holding on for you to come around. I've waited for so long, I've run aground. I feel I'm burning up inside. Oh, hear me crying. I feel like everyone's alive, and I am dying. 'Cause you are all I need. The reason I breathe.
Hungry. Kain tayo. Nagutom ako. It's 11 o'clock. Maagang lunch. Nagutom ako guys saka nilinis. So, kailangan natin Alay! 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 Oh my God, it hurts. Oh my God. Kalagot yun yung itong tiil ba? Yung sa tiil ba yung maikot sa pilit sa anuhin natin ang sili. Sili is the key. Dito tayo sa dining para naman magamit natin. Ay, ang sakit talaga. Daming kanin to guys. Dami guys. Kain tayo. Kasi gutom na. Roxy's here. Sarap.
That you're an inspiration to many young people today. Because being a YouTube star, I mean, it's a new space, it's your own ladder to success, so to speak. You took a different path, so I'm really excited.
Well, thank you so much, Karen.
Ang dami kong labahan guys. Itong si Habs naghintay ng ano niya. Dami kong labahan. Naglalaba ako ng mga... Yan, dami. Yan. Hey guys, yan, andyan na. Kino-close ko lang yung pinto ngayon kasi look. Close yung pinto kasi ayaw kong pumunta si Habs dito, wala pang cover kasi mahilig yun magganon ba. So kapag mabuslot na naman yan kasi the last time siya yung si Habs yung nakabutas, may butas ito kasi nahulog si Habs sa kama. Pagkahulog niya ay natakot siya, so he grabbed somewhere and then yun doom, nabuslot. So ngayon, ang alam nyo ba kung ano nilagay namin? Nilagay ko sa butas is yung Gorilla Glue. It works guys. Tapos kung tina-transfer siya dito, hindi nag-work. Actually, itong TV na to is, we have to replace this. Once naka-move na si Tami dito, itong TV na to is probably, it's gonna be upstairs. Okay, back upstairs. Kasi yung TV sa isang house, yung sa bedroom. Ngayon ni Tami is, yun yung gagamitin namin dito. So, yun siya. And, yeah. Look at this, guys. Hindi pa nga ako nakapagligo. Tingnan nyo. Ang bibang. Ang bibang. Ang bibing mo. Ano? Pinangga. Spoiled kayo ni, guys. As in, sobrang spoiled kayo ni. Sinirado ko yung pinto. Alam nyo ba kung anong nangyayari? Nanuktok. Nanuktok. Nanuktok na yung smart man. Uy, so smart. Nanuktok. With a cry. Mama! What? Standing up. Doing like this. Standing at the door. Crying. Mama! It's not saying mama, but it's meow. But I heard it. Mama! Look at it. Ay! Don't. Hello. Hello, guys. Hi, guys. I'm a spoiled brat. Mama loves me. Mama loves me, guys. Tingnan niyo, guys. Hello. Spoiled man yun. Spoiled brat. Spoiled brat. Spoiled. Come up to mama. Come up to mama, Roxy. There's another spoiled. It's spoiled. It's spoiled. Mana. It's spoiled. Look at this, guys. Look at how spoiled is this baby too. Mama's little princess. 7 o'clock na. Katatapos ko lang naligo. Ulit akong naligo kasi na-busy ako sa YouTube. May tinitignan ako yung 1 year in space. Yung astronauts sina Scott Kelly, yung mga Kelly brothers. Tignan nyo tong dalawa. Palagi silang nakatingin sa vent na yan. Iwan ko kung anong mga tinitignan nila dyan. I try to change the guys, curtains. I like these curtains, but I try to change it to look if it's okay. Yung unang bili namin ni Bianan, yung brown, o yung blue, may pagka-light blue. I don't like it, so yun. Yung kapitbahay namin, nag-cut siya ng grass. Ako, Monday pa ako mag-cut. Every Monday ako mag-cut ng grass. Nakakapagod. At ito yung ubo ko, hindi nawawala. Parang gumagrabe ata itong ubo ko. Wala pala akong rice, guys. Magluto tayo ng rice. Kaluka naman ito. Tignan. Magluto tayo ng rice. Ginoo ko. Feeling, nag-imagine na ako na kumakain ako ng lechon paksiw na naman. Pero wala tayong rice. Anyway, luto muna tayo ng rice. I-try natin itong rice cooker. Kasi diba the last time, itong rice cooker hindi nag-work. So ngayon, nilagay ko na yung rice. And itong light dito, I don't know kung nakikita ninyo. Itong light dito, nandun sa baba na. Usually, yung the last time is hindi siya bumaba. Andun siya sa taas. Pero ngayon, nasa baba siya. So, yun, tignan natin. Palagi na itong tinitignan kasi. Hindi pa kaya ako guys. Tapos ng laundry, guys. Dami ko pang laundry. Hi, guys. Katatawag lang ni Tami. Oh my God, guys. Nag-work na ito, guys. Ang rice cooker. Nakalimutan ko palang itapon ito. Anyway. And, so yun, guys. Sayang kasi yung TV hindi umandar. Hindi natin alam kung bakit. May problema. I don't know kung anong problema, pero yeah. Ay, si Tami. Hala, doon, tignan nyo. Namatay na naman. Namatay siya. Flag naman siya. Flag din. You guys we're sleeping down there. You're not going with me. Tingnan nyo to. Sumusunod itong mga panahok. Anyway. So, yan. I'll be right back. Kunin lang natin yung charger. Yan. Charger. And empty na. Wala nang bed. Wala na. Ito yung spare bed namin parang pag mabisita. Dito sana ilagay ko yung filming room, pero maganda ito pag bisita. So, doon na lang yung okay lang yan. I don't need a big room naman sa filming room. Alam nyo ba, yung first night namin ni Tami dito, yung pinakaunang gabi talaga namin ni Tami, alam nyo ba, Dito kami natutulog. Diyan, malapit sa the bathroom door. Diyan na corner na yan. Diyan na kami natutulog. Hindi ko makalimutan yun kasi takot na takot ako. Kasi yung light nag-flicker ba? Parang may something talaga dito sa bahay. So natatakot talaga ako. First night namin yun. Nasa vlog yun guys. Yan, na-document ko yung ano na yun. Yung time na yun. I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Hey guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night guys.